Hey there. In this video, I'll show you how to add an HTML button that acts like a link to your emails in SendGrid. First, log into your SendGrid account and navigate to Marketing. Click on Single Sends. You can select the email you wish to edit, or you could go ahead and create a new one. We'll use a blank template, and we're going into the code editor here. All right, so in the editor, we're just going to paste the HTML code for a button. There you go. And you can customize the button text and the link to direct your subscribers where you want them to go. So preview your template to ensure the button appears correctly and functions as a link, and then send yourself a test email to double check. And that's it. You've successfully added a clickable button to your SendGrid email. Don't forget to subscribe for more useful tips and hit the link in the description for a free SendGrid trial. See you in the next one.